Hi guys, I'm back again, and in this video I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to do a tutorial on how to make chicken farm that will go, lay eggs, and you don't really have to do a lot. So what you want to first do is make this small thing like this. I think it's 5 blocks, 5 blocks. Then you want to build this a little bit up. Do it the same with this one, and this one, and the same, and this one up there, down there, like that. And then next you want to need some signs or ladders. I'm going to use ladders. I think that will work the same. So then you put the ladder here. Oh, ladder won't work. Alright. Now I'll need a sign. Where are you? Right here is a sign. Get that way. Just place it. Nothing. Just, you don't need to have to write anything. And then you do that all the way here. And then what you want to do here is do a small thing like this. And then you want to place one there. And just do it until where the water stops. So that's here. And then you want to, it has to be a little bit like this. And then you want to place water here. Why? Because, then the chickens, they're going to float up, right? They're going to float up here like this. So then, if they lay an egg, the egg will go down. It'll just go like this. Alright, so then next, you want to do this. And then what you want to do, you can do this in survival. Just throw an egg. You see, there's a baby one. Like that. Oh wait, I made a mistake. Wait. And you're supposed to close it up here. I forgot to do that. So then what you'll see is a little bit like this. You don't need that. So then signs there to stop the water. And later it will look like this. Just wait. When they all grow, like older, well, the chances are that you won't. Just what? Look, some of them are coming. Just let them go in. Alright, that one too. And later, when you'll have lots of them, it'll go really fast. So I'm just going to close this because they're going a little bit out there. Well, helmet flying. Alright, so this is how it goes. And then later when they're older, they'll be able to lay eggs. And then I'll just show you. Alright, say that I'm a chicken. Alright? Now lay an egg. That egg will go down. And then it will come all the way here. And then you can collect it again. And then if there are lots of chickens, they will lay lots of eggs. Those eggs will also go down here. And look, those eggs are coming back. So I hope you guys liked it. Please subscribe. And I'll see you guys back in my next video. So, bye.